Good morning. I extend a warm welcome to all of you to this webinar on opportunities in mechanical engineering. Maybe this webinar is going to provide you information related to the various opportunities that exist in mechanical engineering domain. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to all of you for this webinar. To start with, let me introduce myself. Myself, Dr. Ratnakar, working as a professor and head Department of Mechanical Engineering, ATME College of Engineering, Mysuru. I have 22 years of teaching experience, 12 years of research experience. I have guided several undergraduate and postgraduate students for their project work. So 5 students are pursuing PhD under me. I have published more than 50 research articles in national and international journals. I have worked as board of examiner, board of studies and journal editor, reviewer, interview panel expert, etc. I have received award from Skyfi Labs as recognition of leadership. My areas of interest are in the field of design, manufacturing and composite materials. So in this webinar, an attempt is made to provide you information on what is engineering, the importance of engineering, what is mechanical engineering, the various disciplines in mechanical engineering, the future trends in mechanical engineering, and the opportunities in mechanical engineering domain. Further, a brief about the Department of Mechanical Engineering of ATME College of Engineering is going to be provided to you. So let me begin my presentation with the following quotes. Education is the sovereign remedy for all economic ills, by Sir M. Vishveshwaraya. Live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever, Mahatma Gandhi. By the above quotes, it can be clearly understood how important the education is in everybody's life. To move on, let's understand what engineering is. As we all know, engineering is the branch of science and technology that is concerned with the design, building, developing and use of engines, machines and structures. Engineering is the action of working artfully to bring something about. In other words, engineering is the art of creating and developing new things. Engineering is all about making useful things that work and impact lives. Engineering, in brief, is all about finding solutions to the societal problems. Let's look at the various branches of engineering. The main branches of engineering are civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering. To have brief discussion, a civil engineering stream is a professional engineering discipline that deals with the design, construction and maintenance of the physical and naturally built environment, including public work such as roads, bridges, canals, dams, airports, sewage and railways. As you all are aware, civil engineering is progressing as human civilization is progressing and advancing. Electrical engineering. Electrical engineering stream is an engineering discipline concerned with the study, design and application of equipment, devices and systems which use electricity, electronics and electromagnetism. Can we imagine our lives without electricity today? So mechanical engineering, which deals with developing machineries and automobiles. Maybe we shall have more discussion on mechanical engineering as we move forward in our presentation. Computer science engineering. We all know how computers have revolutionized the world with the invention of computers. Further, computer science engineering integrates computer science and computer engineering, providing knowledge of computing systems in both hardware and software design. Electronics and communication engineering. Electronics and communication engineering is that domain in which it uses non-linear and active electrical components such as semiconductor devices, especially transistors and diodes, to design electronic circuits, devices, integrated circuits and their systems. Let's move on to our core area of discussion of today's webinar, opportunities in mechanical engineering. Before that, let's understand what is mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is considered as the mother of engineering. Maybe because of its versatility, it is regarded as the mother of engineering. Mechanical engineering is an engineering branch that combines engineering physics and mathematics principles with material science to design, analyze, manufacture and maintain mechanical systems. Mechanical engineering is the oldest and broadest of the engineering streams. We need to understand one thing, that scientists discover world that exists, whereas engineers create the world that never was, by Theodore von Karman. Let's have more insight into mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineers research, develop, design, manufacturing and test tools such as engines, machines and other mechanical devices. Mechanical engineers work on power producing machines such as generators, internal combustion engines, steam and gas turbines, jet and rocket engines, etc. Mechanical engineers also develop power using or power consuming machines such as refrigerators, air conditioners, robots, machine tools and machine handling tools, etc. So let us have a look at the main streams of mechanical engineering. There are three main streams in mechanical engineering: design, thermal and manufacturing. Design stream or design engineering is the first step of any process. A design is a plan or specification for the construction of an object or for the implementation of activity or process. Thermal engineering or thermal stream is controlling heating or cooling process in an enclosed environment. This is applicable in all the devices. It may be a mechanical device or computer device or an electronic device. So manufacturing stream is the production of products or goods for human utility. A mechanical engineer can take up the following disciplines in his profession, and they are acoustic engineering. Acoustic engineering is the branch that is concerned with the properties of sound. Aerospace engineering. Aerospace engineering is the human effort in science and engineering to fly. Automation engineering. Automation engineering is the latest technology that allows minimal human intervention in carrying out the activities. Autonomous systems. Autonomous systems establishes control of every operation through internet. Biotechnology is the technology that utilizes biological systems, living organisms to develop products like biofuels, biodiesels, biopetrol, etc. Composites. Material made from two or more constituent materials, which is widely used in automobiles and in construction industry. Cybersecurity is the practice of defending computers, servers, mobile devices, electronic systems and networks used in security applications. Control systems manages, commands, directs and regulates the behavior of other devices or systems. Design. Already this has been discussed, so I will not take up this. So energy, engineering that propel motion or work, okay, that stream of engineering is called as energy engineering. Ergonomics, the discipline dealing with interaction between humans and other elements. Human health, preparation of artificial organs like hands, limbs, etc. and its materials, tooth filling materials, etc. So industrial and production engineering. So this is an interdisciplinary engineering that deals with manufacturing technology, engineering science, management science and optimization of complex processes. Industrial automation engineering. Automation applied to industry, best example can be Industry 4.0. Manufacturing and additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing technology. It is a computer controlled process that creates three-dimensional objects by depositing materials, usually in layers. Mechatronics is a multidisciplinary branch that focuses on both electrical and mechanical systems, also includes electronics, computers and telecommunication engineering. Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is concerned with building things, generally materials and devices on the scale of atoms and molecules. Robotics is an interdisciplinary research area involving various branches of engineering like mechanical engineering and other things. Maybe a mechanical engineer plays an important role in the form of providing kinetics, kinematics and the part of motions in robots. Let's look into the areas of research in mechanical engineering. A mechanical engineer can take up the research in the following advanced streams of engineering like aerodynamics and fluid mechanics, biomechanics, combustion and energy systems, design and manufacturing, dynamics and control engineering, material and structures engineering, vibrations, acoustics and fluid structures interaction, friction stir welding, composites, nanotechnology, mechatronics, finite element analysis, computation fluid dynamics, micro electromechanical systems, MEMS. It's never ending. There are many more streams in which a mechanical engineer can engage himself to his research activities. What do mechanical engineers do? Mechanical engineers research, develop, design, manufacture and test tools, engines, machines and other mechanical devices. Mechanical engineers work on power producing machines such as electricity producing generators, internal combustion engines, steam turbines, gas turbines, jet rockets, etc. Mechanical engineers also develop power using machines such as refrigerator, air conditioning equipment, robots, etc. Where is mechanical engineering applied? It would not be much of an exaggeration to claim that for every product you can imagine a mechanical engineer was involved at some point in its design, material selection, temperature control, quality assurance or in production. Maybe starting from a ball peen to an aeroplane, a mechanical engineer is going to be involved in its production. So career paths in mechanical engineering. So what all the various career paths a mechanical engineer can take up? Maybe a mechanical engineer can choose to be in design and analyze any component, material, module or system for the next generation of automobiles. Design and analyze medical devices including aids for the disabled, surgical and diagnostic equipment, prosthetics and artificial organs. Design and analyze efficient refrigeration, heating and air conditioning, HVAC systems. Design and analyze the power and heat dissipation systems for any number of mobile computing and networking devices. So further, design and analyze advanced urban transportation and vehicle safety systems. Design and analyze sustainable forms of energy that are more readily accessible by nations, states, cities, villages and people groups. Design and analyze the next generation of space exploration systems. Design and analyze revolutionary manufacturing equipment and automated assembly lines for a wide range of consumer products. So let us look at the various opportunities for mechanical engineers. Maybe a mechanical engineer can get a job in public sector units, PSU. Mechanical engineers have great opportunities to join Maharatna and Navaratna public sector units, PSUs like NTPC, BHEL, GAIL, IOCI, NHPC, etc. Presently, there are 7 Maharatna, 16 Navaratna and 71 Mini Ratna sectors. Public sector units offers the best salary package ranging between 7 to 11 lakhs per annum in industry. In order to get into public sector unit, one need to crack GATE. So let us look at the other opportunities that exist with mechanical engineers, government organizations. Mechanical engineers have great opportunities to join government organizations like ordnance factories, Indian Railways, irrigation departments, ISRO, BARC, BIS, DRDO, etc. For a grade officer in railway, you need to crack IES, while ISRO, BARC, BAS take their separate exams. Private manufacturing industries are firms. A mechanical engineer can also get jobs in private manufacturing industry or firms. One has to work hard to get into private industry. If one get job through college, that is through campus recruitment, it is the best. If not, one will have to try hard and always keep updating their resume at jobs recruitment, job search, employment, job vacancies, Naukri.com or Job Search India, Indeed, etc. Note, in private jobs, you have enormous potential to grow once you enter. Work hard and you will soon reach to a higher position. Sometimes maybe better than your friends at public sector units. So let us look at the various job profiles in mechanical engineering. So production engineering, process development, quality assurance, design engineer, supply chain management, purchase department, planning and control, store department, mechanical maintenance, etc. The future trends in mechanical engineering are 3D printing, Industry 4.0, nanotechnology, robotics, mechatronics and automation engineering. To conclude, a mechanical engineer can fit into any branch of engineering. Mechanical engineering can do any kind of work, can take up work in software industry, electronics industry, civil industry, biomedical, aerospace industry, aeronautical industries, marine and many more. Hence, mechanical engineers have a very broad spectrum and scope in their future career options. Maybe I'll take you through ATME College of Engineering. ATME College of Engineering is founded by a group of like-minded technocrats in the year 2010. ATME College of Engineering has created a futuristic infrastructure with 3 lakh square feet of built-up area. It has state-of-the-art laboratories, a cluster of seminar halls, auditoriums, etc. ATME College of Engineering has modern gadgets, library, central computing facility. ATME College of Engineering is affiliated to AICTE New Delhi and VTU Belagavi. So maybe a brief about its promoters. Mr. L. Arun Kumar, Chairman, Mr. K. Shivashankar, Secretary, Mr. R. Viresh, Treasurer. Founders are basically technocrats, practicing civil engineers and philanthropists. They have different verticals. One among that is ATME College of Engineering. Promoters of this institution are aware of the need of the industries and trying to create such needs by developing industry-ready engineers through ATME College of Engineering. Department of Mechanical Engineering. The Department of Mechanical Engineering was established in the year 2010 with an intake of 60 students, and at present the intake is 120, and the department is affiliated to Visvesvaraya Technological University. The department has a total built-up area of 2000 square meters with well-equipped laboratories and state-of-the-art facilities in order to foster the growth of students. The department is recognized as a research center by VTU in the year 2015-16. The faculties of the department are actively involved in research and consultancy works in the area of composite materials, fracture mechanics, fuels and lubricants. So energy systems engineering and renewable energy. So the Department of Mechanical Engineering is accredited by National Board of Accreditation, NBA, New Delhi. The department is also certified by ISO 9001:2015. So the department gives lot of emphasis on the placement of its students. The present slides gives you the glimpse of various students who have been recruited by various industries. So department has various professional bodies. To name a few, department is associated with Indian Society for Technical Education, ISTE, Institute of Engineers, IEI, and department has the department association. Through this professional bodies, various activities are conducted for the students for their overall development and growth. The Department of Mechanical Engineering has signed various MOU with industry partners like CAD Center, IRIS Mysore, People Mechanics Bangalore, Prolific Technologies Bangalore, GTTC Mysuru for industrial training for students. Let us have the glimpse at various laboratories of the Mechanical Engineering Department. Engineering Graphics Laboratory, Material Testing Laboratory. So in the Engineering Graphics Laboratory, a student learns the basic principles of the engineering graphics. In Material Testing Laboratory, the strength of the materials are going to be evaluated or analyzed. Machine Shop, Foundry and Forging Laboratory, a student learns about the glimpses of the manufacturing technologies. Mechanical Measurements and Metrology Lab, Fluid Mechanics and Machineries Lab. In Metrology Laboratory, a student comes to know about the various aspects of measurements. In Fluid Mechanics and Machineries Lab, a student will get to know the various aspects of the fluid behavior. Energy Laboratory and Heat Transfer Lab, a student will understand the various forms of energy or converting one form of energy into another form of energy. Heat Transfer Lab, again related to Energy Lab itself. Modeling and Analysis Lab, Computer Integrated Manufacturing Lab. So these are laboratories wherein a student is going to work on the simulation techniques, developing of models or developing of 3D models and converting and analyzing on them. Design laboratories, student will conduct various experiments on design aspects like vibration and other things. So project lab, this is a worker space where a student get involved in preparing the models, preparing prototypes. So additional to that, the department has got various additional facilities. Apart from the centralized facilities like cluster of auditoriums, cluster of seminar halls, sports facilities and other things, the department has got its own seminar hall for conducting various programs for the students. Then the department has its own departmental library to its cluster. Apart from that, the other facilities that is existing in the department are, there are 9 lecture halls, 4 smart classrooms, 3 tutorial rooms, 1 seminar hall, 11 laboratories, 1 department library, 1 HOD chamber, 28 staff cubicles, and then 1 research center. Additional to all this, department takes a lot of initiative in organizing various programs for the students like seminars, guest lectures from industry experts, workshops within the campus and also in industries, technical talks, industry visits, sponsored projects. Department of Mechanical Engineering has obtained lot of sponsored projects from KSCST. The Department of Mechanical Engineering has obtained funding from KTEC, New Age Incubation Network, to a worth of 2 crores for a period of 5 years. So apart from that, the department makes use of CERP to regularly send the student information on regular intervals. Department is actively involved in research activities. Department has IEI student chapter, innovation club, entrepreneurship cell, department association. Department emphasizes on sports activities for the students. So there are a lot of students who are represented from our department in VTU. So regularly there is going to be parents teachers meeting held in the department. We have student response system with the help of which quiz and other activities are conducted. So department is actively involved in social responsibility activity. So students actively take part in cultural and technical activities. Students are availing the scholarship that has been given by the management of ATME College of Engineering, which is popularly known as Vidyasare. Placement is given a lot of emphasis in the department. So there is a grievance redressal cell through which a student can put his grievances. So there is a mechanism of counseling and student support system which is well established at the departmental level. So with this, I thank all of you for patience listening on this webinar, Opportunities in Mechanical Engineering. Thank you.